Okay, artists, now that we've read mouse shapes, I think we're ready to start making some shapes of our own. So let's find a new blank page in our art book and let's turn it long in front of us so we have lots of space to practice drawing shapes. Okay, artists, let's start drawing some shapes. Can you name that shape? What's this shape called? That's right, it's a square. A square has four equal sides and four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we draw a square, we're going to draw a square. We try and make two tall lines and we connect them with two long lines. And I check to see if I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Good job. That is a square. Next, let's try and draw this shape. What's this shape called? That's right. This is a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. And how many corners does our triangle have? 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. So let's draw a triangle. I like to draw a triangle by drawing a long line on the bottom and then 2 sideways lines that touch each other at the top. Does that look like a triangle? Looks good to me, artist. So now on our page we have a square and a triangle. Ooh, I wonder what's next. How about this diamond? So a diamond is kind of like a square because it has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, it has 4 sides and it has 4 corners, but it looks different than the square, doesn't it? That's because it's a little bit more pointy looking. So when we draw a diamond, it's kind of like drawing a triangle. I bet if we had 2 triangles, it would be the same shape as that diamond. That's pretty neat. So when we draw a diamond, we draw a top of a diamond and the bottom that connects. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Awesome job. Nice diamonds. And another shape I want to draw with you today, artists, is this shape. What is this shape called? That's right, it's a circle. Now look at our circle. Does it have any corners? It doesn't. It's round. It goes round and round. Does it have any corners like this square? It doesn't because it's super duper round. So when we draw a circle, it's kind of like we're drawing a line that curves around and around and around and around until it meets back where it started. And it's a super round circle. So artists, on our page, we should have drawn a circle, a square, a diamond, and a triangle. And if we want to add one more shape, there's a really cool one. Let's see if you can guess what I'm drawing. It has 2 lines, and then they connect like this. Do you know what shape I just drew? It has 4 sides and 4 corners, but it's long, and we call this a rectangle. That's right, this is a rectangle. So artists, we now have a really awesome page full of shapes. So let's see, what are some things we can turn these shapes into? Let's take a look at some artwork and then we'll come back to drawing.